coordinate plane. So just like we could find the length of a segment using our distance formula, we can also find the middle point, otherwise known as the midpoint, of a segment in my coordinate plane. So the formula is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 for the x coordinate of the midpoint, and then y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2 for the y coordinate of the midpoint, which should make sense because if I added my x coordinates together, which there are only 2, and divide it by 2, I have the average, which is what your middle point is, the middle, the average. So let's take a look here at point A at 4, negative 3, and point B at negative 2, 1. So if I had a coordinate plane here, which is my x-axis and y-axis, I could always plot these points. So point A is at 4, negative 3. So the x-coordinate's 4, my y-coordinate negative 3. So here's point A on my plane. And I have point B at negative 2, 1. So negative 2 for x and 1 on the y. And there's point B. So here we have our segment. Now we could use the distance formula to find the length, but I'm more concerned about the middle point, the midpoint. So to find the midpoint, I'm going to add my x-coordinates. So we know every ordered pair has an x and a y. So this is my x sub 1, y sub 1. And here's my x sub 2, y sub 2. So if I added my x's, 4 plus negative 2 over 2, and then negative 3 plus 1 over 2 for the y-coordinate of the midpoint. I'm going to simplify. 4 plus negative 2, or 4 minus 2, is 2 over 2. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2 over 2, which gives me the ordered pair 1, negative 1. Now you might get halves here, which is fine. We can plot any of these points. So if this is my new x and y coordinate for my midpoint, it would be at 1, negative 1, right here. So this would be my M, the midpoint of my segment AB.